That black yo magic, 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 magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus baby, hitting me with all of that melanin, hocus.
Hey kings and queens, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Djanesha for those who may or may not know, and I'm back with another freaking video. Hi guys, how y'all doing? It's been a minute and I miss y'all. But anyway, in this video, I'm just going to be showing y'all how I get my hair into a sleek ponytail. It was supposed to be a afro, but my hair was still wet when I was taking it out my braids. So that was an epic fail, as you're going to see. So my hair is freshly washed. I used Dr. Bronner's, Castile soap, the 1 in 18, to wash my hair. And I just used some random ass conditioner that I had laying around the house to condition my hair. I ain't gonna lie, I didn't deep condition, which I should have, but I didn't have the time. So yes, this is just me. I'm doing the middle part. A sleek bun in the back. I tried to get it as sleek as possible, but with this 4C hair, my arms was tired. Like, there was just too much work for me, okay? So yes, I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Alright, so I'm using a combination of gel and Got2b freeze blast spray, and I'm just going to try to sleek my hair as good as possible with those two things. And I'm also doing my hair in sections. Like, my hair has finally got long enough to fit in a ponytail or a low bun, and it's just, I'm so happy about that because I'm taking care of it now. I need my ends clipped so bad, but I didn't feel like clipping them, y'all. Don't be like me. If you need to clip your ends, girl, snip, 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 sis, okay? Because unhealthy ends is not a good thing. So yeah, you just want to sleek all that stuff back into a ponytail. Make sure your ponytail is tight, but not too tight where it gives you a headache like I did. And yeah, just keep on going, baby, till you get to the top. Alright, so when I get to the top, I start using my blow dryer to help set it so it wouldn't move. And use your little comb to make sure it's sleek as possible. And yeah. How you guys feel about this coronavirus, y'all? Give me your input down in the comments down below. I feel like it's more to it, and I feel like people need to follow the rules and stay their asses in the house unless they have to work. Like myself, my job is still open, so I do have to go to work, but they are cutting hours. So I barely be there, but still, if we just follow the rules and stay in the house, we won't go on no citywide shutdown. If you don't know, I am in Houston, and we have not had no shutdown yet. They just closed a lot of stores. They canceled like the rodeo and big events like that. But bars, restaurants, and things like that are closed. The mall's supposed to be closed, but the company I work for being crazy and staying open, and we're not an essential store, so they should definitely close down, but still pay us. But if they don't pay us, they need to stay open so I can still get my coins, okay? So ain't no food. It's hard to find food and toilet paper. That shit is ridiculous. But anyway, back to the video. You just want to slick that hair down. You want to create some little baby hairs you can. Let me tell you how long it took me to create those little swoop the whoop things to my liking. It took me a long time. Like, the video is sped up, but it took me like 30 minutes because I was being very picky, and I still kind of didn't like them because the next morning I changed it anyway. But you just want to make sure everything is sleek, and use an oil on top. Like, I use some coconut oil or black castor oil, any kind of oil you have, and just put it on top so it won't have that white cast on top of your hair. And for my edges, I use edge control and gel because I use the Style Factor edge control, and it leaves like a cast on your hair, but it hold that shit down. So I still use it and just use gel on top so to get rid of the white cast on there. But yeah, so slay them edges, girl, and then you almost done, sis. Okay. All right, here I'm just going to apply some heat to my hair because I need it to be dry fast because I was going somewhere. And then you're almost done. You're actually done. And this is the final look. And yes, it's all sleek and nice. And if you made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe. And comment down below and let me know how you feel about the coronavirus. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.